Do you have a 4-pin trailer connector that you need to wire but you're not sure how? Well, stay tuned because Go Big's going to learn you how. I guarantee you, if you follow my system, you'll never forget the colors again. 4 colors, and you need to know what circuits they go to. 1. The taillight circuit. When you have an old dog, when you lift up his tail, what color is it? It's not white, it's not green, it's not yellow, it's usually brown. Turn circuit. To remember the left turn circuit, just picture yourself driving down the road in your 65 Mustang going to your girlfriend's house that lives down there on the left. Picture yourself driving and turning left into her driveway, and she has blonde yellow hair. Left side turn is yellow. Ground circuits on automotive stuff is usually black. But you got to remember, with trailer connectors, white is ground. So if you use white, you're going to be all right. Remember that. If you use white, you're going to be all right. By eliminating these 3 colors, it only leaves 1 color left, which is green, which obviously goes to right side turn. There you go. Easy way to remember. 4-pin trailer connector. Save this video to your phone, put it in your favorites, like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. And next time you're at your buddy's house and you're all standing around scratching your head trying to figure out where these wires go, you can flip open your phone and look like a genius. Tell him Go Big sent you. There's a number of different type of trailer connectors. There's a 4-pin flat that we talked about. There's a 7-pin round, which I recommend, that also incorporates the electric brake circuit and the clearance lights. The 7-pin trailer connector is an RV style, what they call an RV style, and it is the same as a 7-pin round that incorporates a brake circuit for the electric brakes and a clearance light circuit. You can also add on the red a charge circuit from the alternator. So typically on a 4-pin round, you'll just have a tail light circuit, a right turn, a left turn, and a ground. Easy peasy. Don't be surprised when you go to attach the white to the vehicle that the ground is black. So sometimes it's common to have that white ground wire hooked to a black wire on the vehicle. For some reason, they decided on trailers that the white would be ground. I highly recommend extending that white wire. It's best to drill a hole through the frame, in my opinion, put a 1/4-inch eyelet on that white wire and give it its own dedicated ground. These are common. You see them a lot of times in the kits for trailer wiring. They're called Scotch locks. I highly recommend that you take these and you throw them in the trash. They're nothing but problems. The guy that created these made me a lot of money in my career. They're poor connections. They almost cut through the wire when you install them. If you'd like to see more about the proper connection, look at our video on how to do a good quality solder connection with non-insulated butt connectors. That's how professionals do connections. Mechanic is using these to install your wiring. Find a new mechanic for sure. I would love to install these in a place that is not very comfortable for the guy that invented them. Please like and subscribe. We're going to bring a lot of these electrical learning experiences for you, the viewer. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe so much. As I always say, go big or go home, baby. Go Big Garage says have a good weekend.